how you can simplify before you multiply, this time taking a fraction and timesing it by a whole number. Another example, please write in your notes, you can take 4 times 1/2. 4 times 1/2. First step, write the whole number as an improper fraction. So I'm going to take 4 and put it over 1 and recopy the fraction. Step 2, find any common factors of the denominator and a numerator. And I can see that 4 and 2 both can be divided by 2. So 4 divided by 2 is 2. So this 4 changes to a 2, and 2 divided by 2 is 1. And now we, step 3, multiply. 2 times 1 is 2, and 1 times 1 is 1. 2 over 1 equals our whole number, 2. Take a minute again, if I'm going too fast, to go ahead and copy that down. Our last and final example, we can see and practice with this 10 times 1/5. 10 times 1/5. Again, first step is to take this whole number and make it an improper fraction over 1 and multiply it by 1/5. 10 times 1 is 10, and 1 times 5 is 5. Now, we will see here that I have come up with an improper fraction. I didn't come up with an improper fraction before. If you look to see, Miss Sharber didn't say out loud and didn't follow her steps. So what step did we miss? We missed step number 2. If you see that you have a fraction, improper fraction at the end, you have to note to yourself, okay, I made a mistake. So I'm going to erase this, go back to read my step number 2. Oh yes, I got to find my common factor of a numerator and denominator. And I can see now that 10 and 5 can be simplified down. I can divide both of those by 5. 10 divided by 5 is 2, and 5 divided by 5 is 1. Now I can multiply the fraction. 2 times 1 is 2, and 1 times 1 is 1. Okay, now that makes more sense for the other examples I've done, and 2 over 1 equals 2. Okay, 5th grade, take your time on this. Make sure you have your notes. Make sure you bring your questions to class. I also need you to now, in that spiral, please complete the explain it at the bottom of 282, numbers 1 and 2 in your spiral. Then I would also like you to try some of the guided practice, just numbers 1 through 4, and I will see you tomorrow.